different, and it's kind of a sneak peek of what is to come for our oldest girl's room. We are about to have our oldest two share a room, and we are going to be doing, well, it was originally unicorn. It's more kind of gearing towards rainbow room. One of the things I'm going to be doing is a DIY cloud light for their room. I originally was just going to buy it, but it was cheaper to make it and fairly simple. We'll find out if that's true today. So I'm gonna show you what you guys need to make this, and I will have links down below. I got everything except the glue, which I already had off of Amazon, so I'll have links down below for you. So what you're going to need though, I am doing a double light. If you wanna do a small single one, you won't need quite as much here, but I'm doing a double wide one. So this is a giant thing of polyfill. It's just like stuffing that you would see for stuffed animals and stuff like that. Then you're gonna need paper lanterns. I got a pack of 6, I think it is. I could probably make a couple cloud lights, quite honestly. But I'm just using 2 slightly different shapes so that we can kind of get a cloud shape. So these 2. Then you're going to need a hanging light cord because I have 2. I have a double, so these are 2 separate ones, but I'll show you. We're gonna fasten them. You will need like zip ties or something like that as well. And then you're gonna need light bulbs. So you could use normal typical light bulbs if you just want a white light, but because it's for our girls' room, I thought it would be fun if they had color changing ones. So I got these off Amazon. It was actually a pack of 4 that comes with 2 remotes. So I picked this one up, and it was actually fairly inexpensive for colored lights. I think it was like 16 bucks for 4 of them. My husband's gonna be helping us, but we're gonna set aside this right here, the light socket things, and the polyfill for now. So there are several ways that you can do this. You can use, like I said, a hot glue gun. You could do double-sided sticky tape. We only had craft glue on hand, so that's what we're gonna attempt to use. Kind of want them to be the same height. So we happen to have some Elmer's multi-purpose spray adhesive. What I want to do is get this like inside part first.
Yeah,
where
so
they're
it helps
connected.
hold it together.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay.
There will be a strict rule, do not touch the cloud. We should put a speaker in the cloud, so we talk from the cloud.
I just wanna be with you, yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah.
Close up the hole, go around the outside, grab like a chunkier piece and just shove her on there. Okay, so we have our cloud here. I might play with the shape a little bit more. I kind of want to add like a little bit to this, but I want to leave obviously these open because that's where you put your lights in.
The word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want.
I kind of feel like you could add to this forever and never be happy with it.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna do this and plug in the lights and see what it looks like. This one's on this side. Okay, so you put both of these in and you're gonna have them come to the middle. So we're gonna use a zip tie for this part. Okay, so we're gonna use the zip tie like this, and then you can cut off the excess. First, we're just gonna go to the garage though. Okay, we got the cloud hanging here. It only wants to show you its butt. Oh, that's the bad side. That's the side that'll face the other wall. This is the good side. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks even cooler in person because it's like super bright on. Wow, that's really cool. Ryan's gonna try to get him to do 2 different colors. There you go. One's purple, one's orange. Or no, oh, they're changing together. Sweet. That looks so cool. I wish it showed up on here as cool. It looks like a brain though. In the
Whoa, yeah. That is cool.
That looks
That's so
cool.
awesome. They're gonna love it.
Okay, added a little bit more shape to it. Might play with it a little bit more, but I think it was a success. You have one remote that it works on. This is what you can't see it. It's dark. There's one remote to both, but if you stand like far enough on opposite sides, then you only change one. So you can kind of manipulate it to have 2 different colors. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you are new. Of course, again, I will have all the links down below to everything that you need to make this. We could honestly, with everything we bought, we could make like 4 more probably. We're gonna maybe do a couple mini ones to do like maybe a 3-tier or something in a different corner. I'm not sure yet, but we have plenty to make more without lights. So it's definitely a money saver. These typically on Etsy go for like 50 to 80 bucks. Really big ones go for over 100. So you can do it yourself and it's pretty easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and I will see you in my next video. Bye.